Hello students, we are here for discussing questions based on trigonometry. Okay, so this is your question. Your question is from the top of a 7-meter height building, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degree. Okay, so what is the meaning of angle of elevation? So हम लोग सपोज करो ये बिल्डिंग है, ठीक है, और वो क्या है 7 मीटर की है। और आगे क्वेश्चन में क्या बोल रहा है, द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टावर, इसके सामने एक टावर है, ओके, और यहां से क्या बनता है एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन। सो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन क्या होता है, सपोज करो वन पर्सन स्टैंडिंग हियर एंड सी लुक ऑन द टॉप ऑफ टावर, दिस इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन, ओके, and this angle is made a 60 degree, so you have to draw like this, then the angle is formed, this angle is called as 60 degree, okay. And here also same as, so this is a rectangle, so if this side is 7 meter, this also 7 meter, okay. Now the angle of the depression of the foot of the tower is 30 डिग्री, ओके। सो बोल रहा है कि एंगल बनता है कहाँ पर, टावर के फुट पे, मतलब टावर के नीचे, ठीक है। सो वो एंगल सामने से बनेगा, ठीक है। तो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन क्या होता है, एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन मीन्स वो पर्सन डाउन साइड देख रहा है, ओके। सो यहाँ से एक एंगल बनेगा और वो एंगल होगा एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन, और वो एंगल फॉर्म होगा यहाँ पे, ओके। यहाँ पे नहीं फॉर्म होगा वो, ओके। नाउ वी गिवन द नेम ABCD E. So this is our diagram. So we have to find the height of the tower. So हम लोग को क्या फाइंड करना है, E और C, EC फाइंड करना है। So हम लोग के पास DC है, अगर हम लोग ED निकाल लेते हैं तो हम लोग हाइट ऑफ टावर फाइंड कर लेंगे। So ED कैसे निकलेगा, so this is a 60 degree angle, so if you apply on this 1060, so what is the formula of 1060 in trigonometry, opposite upon adjacent. So this is the opposite and this is the adjacent, but before that we have to find the adjacent, okay. So how to find the adjacent of 60, so we have 30 also, so we have to find the 1030. So 1030 means 10 means opposite upon adjacent, so this is the opposite of 10 and this is the adjacent. So here we have opposite, then we have to find the adjacent. So first of all here you write the name of building, tower, okay. So AB is represent a building, so here write let AB is represent as a building, EC represent as a tower, okay. Now find the first of all AD, okay. So you apply 1030, this angle, this triangle name is ADC and we have to find the AD, okay. So right here in triangle DAC 1030, so 1030 is opposite side upon adjacent side. So which side is opposite to 30, DC, so you have to write here DC, okay. And which is the adjacent side, AD. Now the value of 1030 you have to find in a table, so you already done in 9th standard also the table of trigonometry. So the value of 1030 is 1 upon root 3, okay. So you have already the value of DC, so put the value of DC, so 1 upon root 3 is equal to DC 7 upon AD. Now the cross multiply, AD multiply with 1 and root 3 multiply with 7, so the value of AD is 7 root 3 centi, sorry, you have a meter, so you put the unit meter. Now you find the value of AD is 7 root 3. Now apply the 1060 in this triangle EAD. In triangle EAD. So 1060. Again opposite side upon adjacent side. So what is the opposite of 60? ED. And what is the opposite adjacent of 60? 7 root 3 means AD. Okay. Now the value of 1060 is root 3. You find the value of 1060 in the table. Okay. Now put the value of AD. So what is the value of AD? We don't know the value of ED. Now value of AD from here. So 7 root 3. Now these multiply on that side. So root 3 into 7 root 3 is equal to ED. So root 3 gets 3. So 7 into 3 equal to ED. Now the value of ED is 21. So the value of ED is also in meter. So 21 meter. Now you have to find the height of tower. So find the height of tower. So EC is a height of tower. EC represent as a tower. So EC is a height of tower. So EC is collinear. So you have to write EC is equal to ED plus DC. So here you represent collinear ADC. Okay. The value of ED is 21 and the value of DC is 7. So you will get 28. EC is 28. So here your final answer, this is the height of tower. So you have right here the height of tower is the height of tower is 28 meter. So इस तरह से आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर ये क्वेश्चन आपका कंप्लीट होगा. आई होप दिस आंसर इज योर क्वेश्चन.